What's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My YouTube channel is Chacha Thomas. Thomas, you have to start with the capital letter. So, guys, today I would like to introduce myself. Today's events on what we are doing. As you can see, this is a hotel or a restaurant that's being constructed here. But you can see that we are going on with our putting back our gutter. So you can see up there is a tank where that we have installed our tank. So you can see there is a tank there. You can see there is a water tank that has been installed there. So you can see that we have there a tap. This is a temporary tap that is being installed there. So in case of any event that is going around, still they can use, instead of maybe going around to where the main tap is or going to the other buildings. But here is the only way out, and good a place that is where is access of everybody can be getting that water easily. You can see this very organized a tree that is being built here so that somebody can come and sit and have rest here. It's a good tree. You can see the way it is. So these are the poles that have been put here for security purposes, so that in case of anything doesn't interfere with our tree. You can see also the other trees there. You can see even the tree can tell you that it's a very serious project that is going on. You can also the other one is here. You can see the way it is. Hopefully that very soon things will be very much serious around. You can also see the other one. You can see this, actually this is the tree even the Christians they normally use when it has to hash days. They normally use that one. You can see these are wood or timbers that we are using. Oya! Wenyumura. Oya! Eh? Sasa msiweke mnaharibu miti huku chini bwana. Mnavunja hii miti ya maua bwana. Hizi mbao sasa unaona mbao kama hii mnaweka hapa maana yake nini? Si mnataka mharibu mti. Sawa. So msiweke hapa na misumari muokote bwana. Angalia misumari ilivyoanguka. So I'm trying to ask my brother here to make sure that there is a waste of nails. They make sure that when they fall down, they come and correct them. So guys, we are still going on with our construction. So these are stairs, but they are incomplete. So when we come upstairs here, tomorrow we are going to put our gutter here. So before we put our gutter, we have to first of all, the formwork has to be done. So you can see my guys are going on with the formwork. You can see the way the guys, they are very serious guys. So they need, you see it is very strong. So it is very difficult for somebody to go down. And also it's up, so that's why we need something which is very serious. That's why we need the serious people to do this work. Otherwise, if you mess up, you can get yourself that you are down. You can see that's the other building. According to the owner of this restaurant, I say that will be the bar. You can see the construction is going on. You can see the way it is very beautiful, very beautiful actually. When it is complete, you will wonder yourself. You can see how beautiful it is. You can see now I'm upstairs. You can see downstairs. You can see the way you can see that building. That was a marvelous. You can see. You can see. can see. Tuendenge pole pole mtu. Tuendenge pole pole. Alafu mwe makini jamani. Mnashikilia vizuri msije mkadondoke.
Hapo. Sawa? Kata hiyo mara.
Alafu naona kama mnaweka juu sana rafiki yangu. Hapo hiyo iko sawa, lakini ile nyingine nimeona kama iko juu sana. Sasa inatakiwa usimame wima.
Hii hapa. Sasa msukani mwingine.
Kwa ajili ya waweke support pale. Mshikilie rafiki. Nipatie shika. Shika kule sema kule kuja.
Piga ilale.
Sasa ukata unashindwa kukata. Wewe serious.
I'm serious, man.
Mshindano ni baya.
Plastic.
Sawa, wacha. Wacha na maji. Enda pale chini. Mimi nimekata hebu dada hivi. Toka mbohe.
So guys, you can see my masons are going on with their homework. Hopefully today they will finish homework so that tomorrow they will be going on with the other. Hebu muonyeshe jamaa naye afanye mazungumzo. Bwana kwa nini kamera huyu?
You are doing what, Mr. Man?
Now what we are saying, we will tighten here. After this, we will put some
Timbers around.
timbers around. We tighten this place.
To make it more strong.
Yeah, to make it more strong.
You see, it is very dangerous. If somebody goes down there, he can mess up with the food.
Exactly.
There will be no food again.
You will not get food again. You will die. And that is all about it.
But that is okay, camera.
Yes. Yes.
No food again.
Yes, no food again.
Oh, I thought no go on the car.
What? No food again.
No food again. Things will be off.
This,
Everything is going off.
Food. Yes.
Okay, guys, thank you very much. We are proceeding actually. As I told you that today we are going on with our homework, so that tomorrow everything will go on.
My homework.
You are dropping
finishing my homework.
I do this. I love the
Assignment.
nyundo. You gotta pick up the nyundo from there.
Ama.
When you was man. It is the hammer. The hammer here.
It's falling down. Okay, guys, thank you very much. Thank you. Also, I would like to thank you, my subscribers who are really supporting me a great deal. Please, I'm humbly asking you, please continue supporting me. So I'm very much behind. Please, my brothers, my sisters, my friends all over the world, please support me. I'm actually behind. I need your support. I need your help. Please support me wherever you are. Please, I'm humbly asking you to support me. You can see today is a Sunday, but still I can say I'm sorry to work on Sunday, but please, I'm humbly asking you to support me because there is no way out. You see, we have to work. We have to work. No way, no food will come just sitting idle. You have to work. That's why I'm humbly asking you, my brothers, my sisters, my friends, please support me. Subscribe on my YouTube channel. Share whatever that I'm doing, my events, my daily events, what I'm doing daily. Please share with others. Also, you can comment, you can also advise so that we can move together. Otherwise, for those who are really supporting me, a great deal. May God bless you. May God turn 100 times to where you have taken from. Thank you very much, and asking my Heavenly Father to bless you, to bless wherever you put your hand, please. I'm grateful and I'm very much thankful for your support. I'm really behind. I'm on 1,600. We need to be going up to 10,000 subscribers. So I'm still behind. I'm really asking you, please, humbly asking you, please, to support me, to subscribe on my YouTube channel, to share, and also to comment, my dear brothers and sisters, and also friends. Thank you very much for those who are really supporting me, who are returning back to my YouTube channel. Please support me so that we can go together. Otherwise, for today's, thank you very much. As I promised, sometimes you get, I don't have the bundle. Sometimes I have. That's why sometimes you cannot get me on work or on my YouTube channel. It's just dormant because I don't have the bundle. But once I have the bundle, that's why you see I have to come on field immediately. Otherwise, thank you very much. And may I ask our Heavenly Father to bless you as you are really continue supporting me. Thank you very much. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you so much. And I wish you all the best of the day. And also the night. I know my brothers, my brothers, my sisters are asleep now. But I'm also praying for them to have a good sleep. But if they wake up, once they wake up, please support me, support me, support me, support me a lot. Thank you very much for that.